Alright, hey guys, it is Bean here. Welcome back to another bike vlog. It's been a long time since I've made a bike vlog. But, this is a Pokemon Go bike vlog, because we're going to be playing Pokemon Go today, so... I recently came across this game. I'd never been into Pokemon before this, so... yeah. Basically, I'm already really liking the game. But yeah, so, Pokemon Go, mountain biking, what's a better combo, right? It's been so long since I've biked. This damn hill always makes me so nervous. That's never as bad once you actually do it. This is Pokestop 1. Okay, I got Pokeballs. There's another stop over there at the Majors Field. Yeah, here, I just got a unicorn. Hey, wait up. Where did it go? Here it is. Get over here, thingy. I got it. What is this? I already have this, so. I just got another Ponyta. Ponyta. And here's the gym right here. I'm super close to level 5, but... Alright, I'm gonna put my eggs in those, whatever form that is. Because we'll definitely be riding at least 5 kilometers today.
Yes, I caught it.
Incubators. Can you only do one at a time?
Yeah. Unless you buy that incubator where you can do 3 eggs.
Oh.
But it's after those 3 that breaks. I got an egg. So you have to re-get it.
Heck. Dude, yeah, my wheelies are so rusty too, just from like not riding. And get this last Pokestop. We'll stop by the Jack in the Box in Albertson's parking lot to see if there's any Pokestops. So we're gonna head down to our local, what's it called, Smart and Final and Jack in the Box, and we're gonna see if there's any Pokestops there. Then we'll head down to the regional park, because I know there's a lot of Pokestops there, so cool beans.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9s, 10 Mac 10s, the shits never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls.
Good brakes for the win. Oh wait, I shouldn't have pressed it. I don't think I pressed it all the way. Let's go. I know, perfect timing. Whoa. Brad.
I turned it too sharp and I almost crashed into him.
I don't think there's anything here. Nope, nothing. Everything's 3 steps away.
Yeah, that means it's far.
Millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot blocks. Huh, that's how I got the weed spot. I shot dread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little.
He gave me the bro nod.
Okay, really?
No, pay freaking attention.
Shotty got the shotty to your body, so don't resist, or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs dripping. When I put my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody hit the DECK. My slow flow's remarkable. He's too Mateo, now we smoke weed like Tony Montana, slip the yayo. That's crazy blunts, mad L's, my voice excels from the avenue.
Oh my gosh, someone stole Lee's bike.
That'd kind of suck, wouldn't it? The car started backing out. I'm just like, alright, let's just steer to the left and we'll be good. I can barely get it up now. I have some ED with my wheelies. Oh, and I have a Zubat. Boom, got him. Oh, I got like a diamond or 2 triangle thing.
Oh, this thing, Ethan?
Yeah.
I don't know. Revive. Oh, so if you're Pokemon...
Oh, yeah, in battle. You can heal it.
Yeah.
There we go. We should have been doing this from the start. I don't know why, but like when I'm going faster now, I'm kind of having trouble getting that front wheel up and holding it. There we go, look at this. You're not going to break it just by riding it. Sorry, it's the wind. Nah, don't want to screw up these cars. Oh, it's too far away. Really? Yeah, we gotta cross. Press the button.
Oh, right here, we got it. Yes,
Oh, now I can. Well, now we just did the thing.
Yes, I got another egg.
Oh no, I'm lagging out.
I got another 5K egg. I'm gonna start that.
I'm lagging out.
You are?
Yeah, I can't get it. It's showing just a white screen.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, got another revive.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to sign in because it's being gay. Oh, there we go.
Right, so there's one down here. Oh, what's this thing?
What?
It's purple with a spray bottle thing.
It's a potion. It heals your Pokemon.
Pokemon Go! Right there. They're playing Pokemon Go too.
I'm about to begin.
Yeah, I could have kept it going. They're having a good time over there, aren't they? So people are like making out and like the guy's like slapping her ass. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this bike vlog, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Sorry for the lack of bike vlogs recently. Just haven't really gone riding, so haven't posted any. We're kind of waiting to go to Snow Summit to do some sick mountain bike trails, so yeah. I'll try and post some more. No promises though, but I'll try my hardest. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.